Welcome! Ready to turn your TV into an immersive gaming arena? Let's get you set up. Here's everything you'll need: the Android box and its power cable, the HDMI cable for your TV, the laser tracker with its extension cable, and a mouse to control the Android box. Step 1. Power up. Connect the power cable to the Android box and plug it in. Step 2. Connect to your TV. Plug the HDMI cable into both the box and your TV. Step 3. Connect the laser tracker. Use the extension cable to link the tracker to the Android box's USB port. Then place it below your TV, tilting its camera up toward the screen. Important: avoid direct sunlight for best accuracy. Now grab your TV remote, select the correct HDMI input, and you'll see the Android home screen on your big display. Use your mouse to navigate. First, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and connect to your network. Then, make sure the Wonderfitter app has camera and Bluetooth permissions. Open the Wonderfitter app, log into your account, and go to the device connection screen. Select your model, tap Connect, then pop open the magazine and hold the button for 3 seconds until the LED blinks. Wait for it to turn solid and see the connected message. Screen calibration begins next. For best results, slightly adjust the laser sensor to fit your entire TV in the frame. It will try automatic calibration first. If needed, switch to manual mode and drag the corners to match your TV's edges. Confirm to proceed. Finally, for the sight calibration, steadily sweep the gun across the 4 static targets at each corner of your screen. Once you've cleared all targets, you're ready. You're now ready to dive into an incredible big screen experience with Wonderfitter. Visit us anytime at wonderfitter.com to see our full product lineup. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your training.